Sa wakas mga kababayan, mayroon ng isang bagitong congressman na gustong paimbestigahan itong si Tambaluslos. Very good yan, very good. Bakit? Ang sagot niya, dahil si Tambaluslos ay ang Speaker of the House. Saka, marami na ring mga investigasyon, lalong-lalo na yung revelasyon ng mag-asawang Diskaya na palaging nadadawit ang pangalang Saldico at Martin Romualdez. Kaya itong bagitong congressman na to na si Representative Kiko Barsaga na kumalas sa National Unity Party na partido pa naman, na kapartido pa naman ito ni Martin Tambaluslos Romualdez ay kumalas sa kanyang partido dahil umano sa pinagbibintangan siya na nagpapakalat ng mga nagkakalap ng mga pirma para patalsikin daw si Representative Speaker Martin Tambaluslos Romualdez. Narito ang pahayag ni Representative Barsaga. Batang-bata pa ito mga kababayan. O ito.
Well, I believe that if anyone should be investigated, the first person to be investigated is House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Why, sir? Why? Bakit po?
Because he's the House Speaker.
And do you think there's ba kayong personal knowledge about his involvement in any of the anomalous projects or any of the projects?
I have some personal knowledge.
Can you elaborate, sir?
I will not be elaborating that yet. But I'd like for Speaker Romualdez to be speaking in the I'd like Speaker Romualdez to also be involved in the DPWH hearings.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, hindi nyo naman talaga sinusuportahan yung speakership ni Speaker Martin. Napilitan lang kayong iboto siya dahil NUP pa kayo noon. Tama po ba?
Yes, that's correct.
Pero now, you're not supporting him anymore, kaya nagbili kayo as AML.
Yes, I'll now be an independent candidate, or I might be a minority candidate. I'll be an independent candidate or a member of the minority if the leader of the minority would allow me.
Sir, to clarify lang, you're saying na involved po si Speaker Martin Romualdez sa mga anomal yung flood control projects, may hand siya dito.
I'm saying that it's very unlikely for the speaker to have no involvement in such a large issue.
Sir, you're talking about the alleged insertions or yung mga kickback, alleged commissions?
I mean, everything's under the speaker.
Paano niyo nasabi, sir? Ano yung nalalaman niyo pwede i-share?
Well, nothing yet.
Pero kung may
You
gusto
have
kayo,
evidence, sir, that na involvement po si Speaker? You have evidence, you have proof?
Would me possessing evidence make a difference? If the speaker were to have evidence presented against him in the DPWH hearing, would anything happen to him, or would he still walk away free with a warning?
pero sir, kung may gusto kayong suportahan sa pagka-speaker ngayon, since tumiwalag na kayo sa NUP, sino na yung gusto niyo maging speaker?
No one comes to mind yet. Pero kung pwede ang neophyte,
Kababayan, ano ang masasabi nyo? Comment nyo lang dyan sa baba. Dapat na ba talagang isali si Martin Romualdez sa hearing ng mga maanumalyang flood control project ng DPWH o hindi? Sa mga hindi sang-ayon dyan, comment nyo lang sa baba. Pag-uusapan natin yan. Sa mga sang-ayon dyan, i-comment nyo lang din. Pero bago tayo magtapos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.